sure will.
Summer sun dressed hotter than the heat in July. With her wind-blown hair, it just wasn't fair the way she was blowing my mind. Have you ever noticed every hurricane gets its name from a girl like this? She's a catfight kind, keeps you up at night, hanging on to the end of the kiss. She's a beautiful man. Yeah, the kind you love to love, but what happens next? I got a feeling when the sun comes up, I'm gonna wish I had a storm warning. Gonna wish I had signs. I'm gonna wish I had a little heads up, a little leeway, a little more time. Some kind of radar system locked in on love. Got a feeling by the time the light finds the morning. Gonna wish I had a storm warning, yeah. I'm gonna wish I had a storm warning, yeah. Ain't it funny how it feels when you're burning your wheels somewhere between going and gone? You get so lost that you can't turn it off. You get in and you just turn it off. She's a heart full of rain, red lips like a flame. She's a girl from your favorite song. What a beautiful mess. Yeah, one part angel, one part perfect, one part correct. She's like a flood you'll never forget. I'm gonna wish I had a storm warning. Gonna wish I had a sign. I'm gonna wish I had a little heads up, a little leeway, a little more time. Some kind of radar system locked in on love. Got a feeling by the time the light finds the morning. Gonna wish I had a storm warning, yeah. Storm warning. So hot.
Yeah, right there.
Gonna wish I had a storm warning. Gonna wish I had a sign. Gonna wish I had a little heads up, a little leeway, a little more time. Some kind of radar system locked in on love. Gonna wish I had a storm warning. Gonna wish I had a little heads up, a little leeway, a little more time. Some kind of radar system locked in on love. Got a feeling by the time the light finds the morning. Gonna wish I had a storm warning, yeah. Storm warning, storm warning, storm warning. Little heads up, little more time, little leeway, some kind of sign. That would have been nice. Some kind of radar system. If I heard it on, I would listen to a storm warning.